Hey Dan, this is Lee from Artis SEO. As we promised, this is a free website to show you some tips and tricks of how you can improve your website and book more jobs in essence. As you can see, I've got your website open here, and what I like about it is you got your call to action, your contact us in eye level, which is quite nice. People can quickly contact you. The first thing I want to go through is website content. Going through your homepage over here, it looks like you have about 500 words of content. Now, Google recommends you have at least 1,500 words of content, and the reason for this is so that when they search various websites, they try to extract keywords and index your websites into their search engine. In order to do that, they need quite a lot of content to do that. So if you provide them 1,500 words or more, then you make their job quite a bit easier to find your website and to rank it. If I look at your top competitor in Pretoria, it's these guys over here. To be honest, I think I like yours better. They've also got a call to action at the top here, but looking at their words of content, they're also sitting about 600 words of content, also not really hitting that 1,500 word mark. So if you can up your content to 1,500 words, then you can beat these guys out quite easily, I think. Looking at the Google search results, the first thing when I type in Pretoria electrician is the Google ads. Now these ads are quite nice because it's nice and visible, and you'll get a lot of quick traffic coming to your website through this. The downside is that you have to pay to have your link up here. So every time someone clicks on one of these links, you have to pay Google a certain amount of money. The next thing here is the Google Map listing. Now this is a very nice place to be in the top 3 positions because it's also a nice prime real estate, and statistics actually show that 30% of people will actually click on one of these 3 links. So that's a lot of potential traffic actually coming to these links over here. How do you get to these top 3 positions? Well, you need to increase your number of citations. All that a citation is a combination of your company name, your physical address, and your contact number. If you can get these listed in various directories, you can think about like Yellow Pages and Gumtree. The more of those listings you can get, then the higher you'll be ranked in the Google Map listing. I normally try to have between 100 and 200 citations, just to guarantee myself a spot to be in these top 3 positions. The next thing I want to go through is the organic search results. Now, this is also very nice to be in these top 3 positions. This is what Google finds the most relevant to what was typed in. Now, statistics once again show that 29% of people click on the first link, 15% on the second link, and 10% on the third link. It's actually less than 9% of people that go past the first page in Google. So very important to be in these top 3 positions because you get quite a lot of traffic. How do you get into these top 3 positions? I'll show you that next. We use a tool called Ahrefs, and what this allows us to do is put in a website like I have yours over here, and this spits out a bunch of numbers, and these are basically the numbers Google will use to rank your website on the Google search results. Now the first one I want to go over is the UR, that's your trust rating. This is how much Google trusts your website. So you're sitting at a 10 at the moment. Your DR is your strength index or your power index, and it's sitting at a 2.8. This is how powerful you are in Google's eyes. The backlinks and referring domains are the important numbers that will determine how high you rank on the Google search results. Now you want those numbers to be as high as possible, but also maintaining good quality of links as well. So not all backlinks are created equal, so the quality is very important. So all that a backlink is really a link from another website to your website. It's basically a shout out from their website to your website. So to get these numbers up will help you in the Google rankings. Google is picking up currently about 119 organic keywords from your website, which is not too bad. So of course, if you increase your number of content on your website, you'll increase this number as well. And you'll see there's 44 organic traffic, basically 44 people finding your website from Google every month, which is not a bad start. So you want to get this number up so you can book more jobs. Looking at your competitor with the same kind of tool, you'll see their trust is sitting at a 15 and their strength at a 12, so a little bit higher than yours, sitting at a 1-to-1 ratio. They've got 582 backlinks with 89 referring domains, so a bit more referring domains that you have, and that's probably why they are ranking higher on the Google search results. And they're being picked up 103 different keywords, which is not bad as well. And you'll see because they are number 1 in Google, they're getting 357 traffic people per month finding their website from Google. That's a lot of traffic coming to your competition and not to you, and you really want to increase that. Looking at the organic keywords of what your competitors being picked up, You'll see things like Pretoria electricians are one of the keywords. There's 700 people a month searching for this keyword every single month in Google. Now, because this is your top competitor, they're getting about a third of this traffic to their website every single month. That's a lot of customers that you could be getting, that your competitor is getting. And you'll see very similar other keywords here: electrician, Pretoria East, 24-hour electrician, etc. So a lot of traffic that you could be getting here. So just to summarize, see if you can increase your content, your number of words of content on your homepage to 1,500 words or more, so Google can find and rank you easier. If you want to be on the Google map listing, make sure you increase your number of citations between 100 and 200. And then if you want to be on the top of the organic search results, see if you can increase your number of backlinks and referring domains while keeping high quality. All these tips and tricks are free, and I really hope you can implement them immediately so you can get more jobs. If you can please just drop me a line of feedback to let me know if you found this useful or not. I would really appreciate it. I'm trying to help out a couple of businesses in the area, and your feedback will be much appreciated. Have a great day. Thanks. Cheers. Bye.